Hook Midnight to 015. 90% of AI models are vulnerable to security risks. That's huge. You're at risk. Right now. Don't believe me? Just look at Anthropic. They delayed their AI model. Security concerns. Real issue. You need to know. What's going on? Stay safe. Set up 015 to 1 o'clock. AI security risks are everywhere. You need to know about them. Right now. Anthropic's delay is a wake-up call. You can't ignore it. You need the right tools to stay safe and ahead of the game. Let's dive in to the top 5 AI security risks and the tools to mitigate them. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to stay safe with the right tools. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace with AI-powered project management. It's a game changer. Imagine you need to manage a team. Instead of 5 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. You save time and reduce errors. It's free or $10 a month. Perfect for entrepreneurs who need to stay organized and focused on their business. Notion is the answer. Try it now and see the difference. Chat 2:30 to 4 o'clock. ChatGPT is conversational AI with human-like responses. It's amazing. Imagine you need to write a report. Instead of 2 hours, ChatGPT does it in 10 minutes. You get high-quality content. Fast and easy. It's $10 a month. Worth every penny. For entrepreneurs who need to create content quickly and easily. ChatGPT is the way to go. Try it now and see for yourself. Claude 4 to 530. Claude is AI-powered business ideas and content generation. It's a must-have. Imagine you need to come up with ideas. Instead of 3 hours, Claude does it in 15 minutes. You get innovative ideas. Fast and easy. It's free to try and see the results. Perfect for entrepreneurs who need to stay creative and ahead of the game. Claude is the answer. Try it now and see the difference. Gamma 530 to 630. Gamma is AI-powered tool integration and automation. It's a powerhouse. Imagine you need to integrate tools. Instead of 4 hours, Gamma does it in 20 minutes. You save time and reduce errors. It's $20 a month. Worth every penny. For entrepreneurs who need to streamline their business and stay efficient. Gamma is the way to go. Try it now and see for yourself. Midjourney 630 to 730. Midjourney is AI-generated art and design tools. It's incredible. Imagine you need to create art. Instead of 5 hours, Midjourney does it in 30 minutes. You get high-quality art. Fast and easy. It's free. Yes, free. Perfect for entrepreneurs who need to create visual content quickly and easily. Midjourney is the answer. Try it now and see the difference.